Welcome back to Gearvibe. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 BMW 7 Series, the crown jewel of BMW's sedan lineup. For decades, this car has represented elegance, technology, and performance in one package. But here's the twist. Can the 2026 model push far enough ahead to rival the Mercedes S-Class, Audi A8, and the growing field of electric flagships? Let's find out. The 7 Series has always been more than just a car. It's a statement. In the US, it's the sedan of choice for executives and leaders who demand presence with performance. Positioned at the very top of BMW's sedan family, it strikes a unique balance, comfort for passengers and driving dynamics for those behind the wheel. BMW offers variety here. The 740i uses a turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid support, smooth and efficient. Step up to the 760i xDrive and you get a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with over 530 horsepower, sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds. Prefer efficiency? The 750e hybrid gives you electric-only driving for short trips while still offering long-range gas power. While efficiency isn't its main goal, the 7 Series still impresses. The Inline-six manages mid-20s mpg, the hybrid offers short EV cruising for city drives, and the V8 keeps things competitive within its class. Here's where BMW shines. Many flagship sedans feel like luxury liners, but the 7 Series combines stability with agility. Adaptive air suspension smooths the ride, and rear-wheel steering makes tight turns effortless. On the highway, it's quiet and commanding, yet still delivers that signature BMW thrill when you press the accelerator. The 2026 model refines BMW's bold approach. The kidney grille is large, yet more elegant, flanked by slim, futuristic headlights. Clean body lines highlight its long wheelbase, while the rear design keeps things subtle and sophisticated. The result is unmistakably BMW, bold but not overdone. Pricing starts around $100,000 for the 740i, while the 760i xDrive moves closer to $130,000. Fully loaded, it can top $150,000. Options include the 740i, 740i xDrive, 750e hybrid, and 760i xDrive, each appealing to a different kind of luxury buyer. Not a headline feature, but with the right setup, the 7 Series can tow around 4,000 to 5,000 pounds, perfect for small trailers or recreational gear, though most owners won't test it. Inside, the 7 Series feels futuristic. BMW's curved display runs the latest iDrive system, offering navigation, voice commands, and augmented reality guidance. Rear passengers enjoy entertainment screens and even a massive roof-mounted theater display. Add advanced driver assistance, and this sedan borders on autonomous luxury. Step inside and you're in first-class comfort. Premium leather, wood, and customizable lighting set the tone. Front seats offer heating, cooling, and massage, while the executive lounge package in the rear brings reclining seats with footrests. Thanks to its long wheelbase, legroom is generous throughout. The trunk offers about 19 cubic feet, enough for suitcases or golf bags. It's not SUV level, but it's practical for business or weekend trips. The BMW 7 Series 2026 isn't just a luxury sedan. It's BMW's reminder that luxury can still be exciting. With versatile powertrains, bold design, and tech that feels futuristic, it challenges every rival in its class. Now the big question, if you had to choose, would you take the efficient 6-cylinder, the hybrid, or the powerhouse V8? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review here on Gearvibe.